बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद। Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? This is your English teacher Asma and our subject is English of class 2. Before moving towards today's lesson, I have a very beautiful message of the day. Our message of the day is do the right thing even when no one is looking. Like you have to do the right things mean you have to do the good things. You have to do good works. यहाँ तक कि कोई हमें नहीं देख रहा. ये कभी नहीं सोचना that no one is looking because we are Muslims and we believe that Allah is always here with us and Allah is always everywhere. So even when no one is looking, that it doesn't mean that Allah is not looking. So you have to do the right things. Now you have to keep promise with yourself that you will do the good thing, you will do the good works, you will do the good deeds. So this was today's message. Now we will move towards our today's objectives. Our objectives are by the end of the lesson, students will be able to know about nouns and identify nouns. So our today's objectives are we have to know about nouns, like what nouns are, and then we will be able to identify nouns, like which words are nouns. So we move towards our today's topic, that is noun. So first thing come in our mind that what is noun. As in class 1 we studied a very little definition of noun, that is noun is a naming word. So in class 1 we studied that naming words are called nouns. So what those names are, nouns basically are name of a person, name of a thing and name of a place. So this was a smaller definition of noun. Now in class 2 we will further elaborate this definition. Like naming words are noun, that is correct, that is okay. But now the definition is changed, that is noun is the name of a person, animal, bird, insect, place or a thing. Like name of a person, place or thing is called noun. उर्दू में हम इसम पढ़ते हैं, like किसी भी शख्स, जगह या चीज के नाम को इसम कहते हैं, यानी कि noun कहते हैं. Now we will categorize these definition into like person, which person comes under noun, animals, birds, places and thing. Now we are moving towards person. So all the human beings in the world are nouns. There are a few examples of person like mother. Our mother is a noun. Our sister or brother is a noun. Doctor is a noun. Teacher is also a noun and father is a noun. So all the relations in the world are noun, like your uncle, your aunt, your cousin, grandmother, grandfather. So all the relations are noun, all the professions are noun, like the person who is a teacher is a noun, the person who is a lawyer, the person who is a banker, a shopkeeper. So all the human beings in the world are nouns. Let's move towards place. When we talk about place, so what comes under the category of place? कौन सा ऐसा noun है जो कि place में आता है? Like here are some examples. Mosque is a noun. Place है mosque. Hospital is also a place. Bank and school is also a place. Other than these places, the name of all the countries in the world are noun. The name of all the cities in the world are noun. The name of the towns, the names of the villages, the name of the streets and roads. So all comes under places. ये सारी जगह हैं और ये सारी जगहों के नाम क्या होंगे? Noun होंगे. Now animals. So all the animals in the world are noun. Here are some examples like lion is a noun, dog is a noun, cat is a noun and cow is a noun. So there are some examples of animals. All the other animals are also nouns. And all the birds and insects in the world are nouns. Like here are some examples like owl, honeybee, butterfly and sparrow. So these are nouns. Now we will move towards things. कौन सी चीजें हैं जो noun हैं? So all the things in the world are noun. Like हम तो पूरी तरह से nouns में घिरे हुए हैं. हमारे इर्द गिर्द हर जगह nouns ही nouns हैं. Like car, pencil, sofa, glass. So this is a very brief example of things that comes under the category of noun. But when we talk about your bedroom, so all the things in the bedroom are noun. When we talk about our kitchen, all the things in the kitchen are noun. Like shelves are noun, utensils are noun, lights are noun, door and windows are nouns. So these are nouns. So this was a brief definition of noun with brief examples like all the things, all the places, persons, human beings, animals, birds and insects are nouns. So I have a little activity. The activity is identify the group of nouns as person, animal, bird, place or thing. Now we have to identify like under what categories these things or names are come. Like first example is mother, teacher and Sana. So under which category these three names come? Yes, these are person. So ये person की category में आते हैं. Next example देखते हैं. Zoo, market, park and Sahiwal. So these four names are what? Yes, these are places. So they come under the category of place. So let's look at the next example, that is cat, fox and deer. What are these three names? Yes, these are animals. So they come under the category of animal. Next example is book, toy, fan and bag. ये चारों क्या हैं? Yes, these four are things. So they come under the category of thing. यहाँ पे हमने अलग अलग कैटेगराइज किया इस एक्टिविटी में. Which names come under the category of person, which names come under the category of place and which names come under the category of animal and things. I hope कि आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया हो गया होगा कि what are nouns. हमने डिफ्रेंशिएट कर दिया, इसको अलग अलग कर दी, कैटेगरी कर दी कि ठीक है नेमिंग वर्ड्स तो हमने पढ़े थे 1 क्लास में नाउन है. अब हमने 2 में देखा है कि वो नेमिंग वर्ड्स को हमने अलग अलग कैटेगरी में डिवाइड कर दिया. लाइक नेमिंग वर्ड्स जो पर्सन है, जितने भी ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं वो पर्सन में आते हैं, जितनी भी जगह हैं वो प्लेस की अंडर आती हैं, जितने एनिमल की कैटेगरी में आते हैं और जितनी भी चीजें हैं वो थिंग. तो हमने इसको सेपरेट कर दिया कि ये नेमिंग वर्ड्स थिंग में आ रहे हैं, पर्सन या प्लेस में आ रहे हैं. अब हम देखेंगे सेंटेंसेस में हम किस तरह से आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं कि विच वर्ड इज अ नाउन. सो लेट्स सी. Javaria is a teacher. In this sentence, there are 2 nouns. First, look at the Javaria. Like this is the name of a person. And second is teacher. This is profession, like she is a teacher. तो जो teacher हैं वो भी क्या होंगी? Noun होंगी और teacher का name भी क्या होगा? noun होगा. Let's look at the next example, that is girls are playing football. In this example, there are also two nouns. First is girls and second is football. Girls come under the category of persons and football is thing. In our next example, Sarah and Ali are going to school. In this sentence, there are three nouns. First is Sarah, school एंड अली. यहाँ पे सारा और अली जो हैं ये पर्सन है एंड स्कूल इज अ प्लेस. सो अब हम इसको कैटेगरी में भी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. अब हमें पता है कि जो नेमिंग वर्ड्स हैं कौन से पर्सन हैं और कौन से प्लेस हैं. इन आवर नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, बॉल्स आर इन द बॉक्स. इन दिस एग्जाम्पल, बॉल्स एंड बॉक्स बोथ आर nouns, both are things. So let's look at the next example, that is the book is on the table. In this example, book and table both are things and both are nouns. So this was our today's lesson. अब हम इस आज के लेसन में हमने क्या पढ़ा? Noun is the name of a person, animal, bird and insect, place or a thing. आज हमने पढ़ा है कि किसी भी शख्स, जगह या चीज के नाम को नाउन कहते हैं. ठीक है, नेमिंग वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड नाउन. सो दैट नेमिंग वर्ड्स आर बेसिकली नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस और नेम ऑफ अ थिंग. So this was today's lesson and I have a very little assignment for you that you have to do that work on your notebooks, and your question is put the nouns in the suitable columns. So you have to draw the columns in your notebooks and you have to put that columns in that relevant that nouns in that relevant column. So first column is of person, second is of place, third is of thing and fourth is of animal and birds. Here are the words that you have to put in the relevant columns. First is Amina, cat, bee, laptop, book, Multan, chair, cupboard, student, banker, deer and eagle. So students, this is very easy, बहुत आसान है. So this was today's lesson. I hope कि आपको nouns की अब अच्छे से समझ आ गई होगी. At the end there is a big thank you.